wait, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. Can't stop thinking about you.
All right, so today's video is a little bit different. I wanted to actually talk to you guys about something that I've been working on recently, and I really just wanted to share it with you because I think it could help a lot of you guys. And I know for sure it's gonna help this channel and help the videos that I have coming for you guys in the future. So a big thing for me, obviously, if you've been here, and if you're new here, you'll realize really quickly, is education. Education is super important to me. Teaching people how to do new things and how to kind of problem solve issues that they're having is always something that I've done naturally in any job I've had, whether it be YouTube or my current job or in the restaurant or just really anywhere. That's always been my passion and always been something that I've always kind of sought out. And I love to know the answers of everything so that I can teach other people how to do them. So I was lucky enough to have the opportunity to do this really awesome online course through Online Makeup Academy. And they have this new section on here that is actually a hair course. So if you have heard of Online Makeup Academy before, they offer these really awesome online, very immersive and very interactive makeup courses. So if you wanted to become like an MUA or you already are one and you want to learn more, they already have all these really awesome programs for that. But they also have this really awesome program that I don't think as many of us know about, and that is a hair kind of school. So you can learn how to style hair for bridal, for fashion, for sci-fi, like for a bunch of stuff. And they teach you all the way from the basics to like all of the really awesome, amazing things that you never thought you needed to know how to do, but then you learn and you're like, oh my God, I know everything now. So this program has been really awesome for me because I really can pick it up and rewind it and stop it and pause it and go back and reference it. And like, I know that there's a certain spot that's gonna show me how to do it and I can actually like access it at all times, which is really awesome. And I need something like that. So this has been super helpful for me, especially when it comes to curling. I suck at curling and I really wanted to start trying some different experiments with altering and curling synthetic wigs. So that has been on my radar, and this program really has taught me how to do all of the curls, all the different kinds of curls, and a lot of really awesome styling techniques for putting hair up that I have kind of adapted or adjusted to work for wigs. So going forward, when I'm doing some of these altering videos and curling videos, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know if this is something that I learned from the Online Hair Academy class that I took, so that you know if it's something that you're also kind of wanting to look into, you know exactly where to go to kind of see where I'm learning this from too, because I definitely don't want to take the credit for it because I definitely am not a good hair curler, know nothing about how to do it, and it's definitely helped me a ton. Another really awesome thing about this course is that it's super user-friendly. I love that I can access it from a computer, from my tablet, or from my phone. You can watch these videos from each course just like you would be watching like a YouTube video on your phone or something like that. So it's really convenient and very, very user-friendly and easy to use, whether you're doing it from your phone or on a computer. And I like that because I have done online classes before through other programs throughout my life, and most of them have always been like very computer based, and sometimes I'm on the go too much to be able to sit down and devote like sitting at my desk at a computer. Sometimes I can like watch a video while I'm in the kitchen and I'm cooking, and that really has been really helpful as well at allowing me to kind of work at my own pace in my own environment that I feel comfortable doing it in. So they do have a couple options with the program. They have one where you can get all the tools included, and like they send you a wig head, they send you all sorts of stuff to practice on. I didn't get that package because I already have a wig mannequin. I wanted to really do this on my own wigs to really kind of learn how to do it and learn how to adapt what they were teaching me to work for wigs. So I didn't go with that, and I have tons of heat tools that I feel safe using on my heat safe wigs that I didn't really know the tools they're gonna be sending me, because they are really meant for human hair and you're really being taught how to style actual people's hair and not wigs. So I went ahead and stuck with my products and my tools that I know work on my wigs and aren't gonna cause damage. But you can totally get either package if you want to get all of that stuff. Just make sure when you're using anything like I always say with anything that you use, start off at the lowest temperature that it possibly has, and also make sure you test it out on a test strand underneath somewhere where if it does mess it up, you aren't gonna be like really upset because you haven't really ruined the wig and you can hide it or conceal it or whatever you have to do. I will go ahead and put the link for this class down below. Let me know if you guys have done it or if you are gonna go ahead and sign up and try it out. I would love to hear your experience, and I would love to just kind of get your feedback on it as well. I am still finishing up the course. I'm almost done with all of the classes and I am super excited about it. I cannot wait to bring what I have learned to you guys in a more wig way fashion. So it's gonna be super fun. Make sure you check out those videos as they come. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I put them up, and I will see you guys on the next video.